Akai MPC 1. I got my personal expansions and my personal sample pack that you can get from down in the description. And new producers, I'm gonna show you something, how to make your beats super quick using Program Edit and just tossing some samples in it. I'm just gonna grab some random samples. I'm gonna make a bunch of different sequences using these samples at different BPMs. It's all about creating mute groups, and you can do it real simple from your Program Edit window. What's going on, guys? It's your brother OTG. The OTG's for Overtime Grind. Hardly seen, but I'm always around. And today we got the MPC 1, and this is for newer MPC producers. We're going to use the Program Edit, and we're just going to load up a bunch of different sounds like you see I'm doing right now. We're going to drop down onto an empty program. We're going to color the pads. We're going to add them into a mute group, and then we're going to use those samples and make them cut each other off. And then we're just going to throw together a couple drum patterns and throw the samples on, just to show you that making beats on the MPC isn't as difficult as it seems. It's pretty simple, and with this technique you can make a lot of beats. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Let's get ready to get to this main screen and get it all going. Hopefully you guys have been having a good day. We're going to get right into this MPC work. So first thing we're going to do, you're going to see, we're going to press Program Edit. We're going to go to Global, and we're going to press each pad and put it on Mute Group 1. So you can see I'm going through that and doing that right now. We want all of them to cut each other off. And so the main thing to do is get them all on a mute group together. Boom. The next part we're going to do is go to samples and utilize the sample screen to make sure we work on the audio. So we're going to go to Program Edit. We're going to go to Samples. We're going to go to page 2. Right here, we're going to go to Level, and we're going to hit each pad, and we're just going to give it a custom level. So it gives it a super dope feel when one pad cuts off the other pad. It gives it a nice feel when we're sampling, and we're just going to knock this all down straight out the gate before we do anything. Now that we got that done, we're going to press the pencil, we're going to press pad color, we're going to turn them all to purple. So that way we know which color pads they are, and we know they're all samples and they're all set. And from there, we're going to get busy, man. It's that simple. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Make sure you follow me on social media, 365 at 365 OTG. And make sure you check out the free drum kit, the personal expansions. If you want these sounds, you can get these sounds right from the link in the description. I'll put it down below in the description. Let's make some beats, guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Make sure you check out in the first description. You can get this. This is my personal OTG personal MPC expansions and sample pack 1 and 2. You can get those right from my Gumroad. We're going to make another beat. right, guys, we got another one done. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. If you want to get these sounds, you already know how it goes. Again, once you get these sounds together and you hop in program edit and kind of get everything volume wise, you could just keep going. Let's go one more time. Now that we got that done, you know, let's try to make something different than boom bap slap rap. You know, let's do a 4 on the floor drum pattern, 120 BPM for you guys who make different kinds of music, and just show you the same thought process. Thank you. Check it out. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for other videos. It was a lot of talking today, but sometimes we gotta do it.